Introduction to JavaScript and its frameworks. JavaScript is a dynamic, object-oriented programming language mainly used to enhance web pages. As JavaScript applications grow in complexity, JavaScript frameworks can help manage the code. JavaScript frameworks are collections of JavaScript code libraries that provide pre-written JS code for routine programming features and tasks. Popular JavaScript frameworks. AngularJS, developed by Google, extends HTML vocabulary for applications, enabling expressive, readable, and quick development. React.js, developed by Facebook, it's a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, specifically for single-page applications. Vue.js, an open-source model view model JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and single-page applications. Benefits of using JavaScript frameworks. Efficiency. Projects can be completed faster with well-structured pre-built patterns and functions. Safety. Top JavaScript frameworks have solid security features and are supported by large communities. Cost. Most frameworks are open source and free. They are supported by large communities willing to help with questions, common error-prone cases, and how to avoid them. Misunderstanding the this keyword. This is a context pointer in JavaScript, not a reference to the function it's used in. Use this.myMethod to bind this to ensure correct context. Confusing equals and equals checks for equality with coercion and checks for equality without coercion. It's safer to use equals unless the implications are fully understood. Conclusion. Understanding JavaScript frameworks is essential for modern web development. These frameworks provide structure for the JavaScript code, organize code in a maintainable system, and automate the coding process. Developers should be aware of common pitfalls and how to avoid them to fully leverage the potential of these tools.